vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and below the surface of the water. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, not rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Sea lions generally cruise at about 11 miles per hour, using rolling movements of the front flippers, while the back flippers are spread out behind the body, functioning like rudders for steering.
Panoodin mo, hindi nakakapanood.
But when chasing their prey or escaping predators, they can achieve burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Wow, that was fast, Belle. Palakpakan naman lang si Isabel. Thank you very much. Now guys, here's an interesting anecdote about the sea lion is that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in special operations. They are able to breath hold for up to 20 minutes and dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. Since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines.
Tingnan mo, Tintin! Panoodin ba si Tintin? Panoodin ba, Tintin?
And recover from the water.
Galing sila na. Yung pinapakay.
Good job, Isabel.
Galing, o. Tin, o. Tin, o. Tin, tingnan mo, Tin, o. Tin, o. Ano, Tin, Tin, Tin. Galing, o. Galing, Tin, o. Palakpak, o.
Alright, nice job there, guys. Wait a second. There's one more missing object, right? We're not yet done. Eric, Andy. There's one more missing object, okay? Let's ask Vincent. There's one more. You didn't saw it? How about Isabel?
Ay.
No. Well guys, ano yung missing object na nakita nyo? A gun. Alright guys, I think it's your mission to find that missing gun.
Dali, o. Tingnan mo, Tin, o. Tin, o. Tin.
Let's see. Oh, there he is! Palakpakan natin sa Bell for double dance.
Ay, nasa ludo din. Oh.
Alright, this time, we pre-selected a volunteer from our audience. Ayan. There she is, we got one.
Tingnan mo din, oh.